Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, we need to set the any password screen lock in this device. So in this device I already set the pattern screen lock. You can see draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Then again scroll down, tap on device unlock. Then tap on face and fingerprint unlock. Select the option fingerprint. So here we need to enter our current screen lock. Okay, so this is the fingerprint scanner. So we need to touch the fingerprint scanner with your finger. So when you feel the vibration means the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint. Then you lift your finger. Means when the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, you will feel one vibration. Then lift your finger, again touch with different positions. Okay, now you can see, yeah, done. Tap on done. If you want to enroll the face unlock, then you can enroll, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is also enabled on the lock screen. Touch the fingerprint scanner, it is unlocked. Again. So simply in this way you can enable the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.